Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can see blocked list on the Facebook page, because sometimes we want to show our blocked list on the Facebook page. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Facebook application, and here you will see three lines on top right. Click on it, and then you will see your options. Click on it, and then you will see the options of page setting. Click on it, then scroll down the page and you will see blocking options. Click on it, and here you can see your block list on the Facebook page. So in this way you can see block list on the Facebook page. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.